One of the most important things that you as a business owner, whatever you do, whatever it's a product or service, you as a business owner, you need to do your own promotions. You also need to do your own websites. You need to do your own ads, right? And especially your websites. I'm gonna tell you a story. So back in 2009, I hired someone to do my website because, of course, I didn't know how to do it. Well, the individual who I acquired to do my website actually worked at the same job that I worked at. Well, he moved and relocated. Some years had passed, lost contact with that individual. And then my website all of a sudden stopped working and I freaked out and I panicked. Luckily, I was able to find him because we were friends on Facebook. And even though he didn't have to do it, but he helped me out and we were able to get my website back online. But I realized that, wait a minute, I can't keep calling him to do this service for me because first of all, I don't want to pay him, and then two, continue to have to, call in the wee hours and ask him to update my website. And the websites back then was a lot more cumbersome than it is today. It's a lot more easier today. That being the case, I realized even then, I say, you know what, I need to learn how to do this myself. And and I was able to find a real easy and cheap solution. There's smart templates now, whereas literally you can just put in all your basic information and then the website will be created in lieu of all the information that you put in, and then you can just change the colors and the panels and the elements and all these different things, and you can actually create a website in 15 minutes. And so times have changed. So I'm imploring you, learn how to do your own websites. There's a lot of templates out there. There's a lot of platforms out there. And of course, I'm going to create some videos to show you all how to do that. So again, just kind of recap, digital marketing is key because it not only will enable you to directly connect with your customers and learn about your customers' buying habits and the things that they actually want and need, but it also going to help to educate you so that it will put you in a position to not only be successful, but as you continue to offer up more products and services, and you'll know what products and services people want, you'll be able to look at a lot of the information details. And over a period of time, after a while, you're gonna have all those different types of correspondence, and whether you're doing videos or posting links to a website, or you have a sales funnel, and that stuff can live out there and be out there for days, weeks, years. And you can continue to get sales over a stretch of years, but you have to put that information out there. You can't just depend on Facebook just to promote your post or your video that you post on your Facebook fan page, or even on your Facebook timeline, even though you have 2,000 people that subscribe to your channel, or you have 3,000 friends. Because basically Facebook's algorithm or YouTube's algorithm, they'll send it to a handful of people. If they don't engage, then it's possible that only 20 people actually saw that post. So that's why it's important for you to understand and delve into digital marketing and doing the basics things as far as acquiring email lists and all that. I know I keep talking about email lists and all this other, but the thing is, what we need to do right now, we're starting from scratch. We're starting from the bottom and we're gonna work our way up to the more advanced stuff. That's what I kind of learned as I began to delve and talk about everybody. It is so much to do. There's a lot to do within digital marketing, but you have to learn the basics and the foundation of what digital marketing is. And then as you learn one thing, you go to the next, and you go to the next, and you go to the next. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna condition our minds so that we can be receptive to delving into digital marketing with the purpose and plan and the motivation and inspiration, so that we can market and promote our business, so that we can go to the next level and the next stage within the digital marketing space, because it is more to it than just posting something on Facebook or just putting something on our website.